All right, in this video, we're going to walk through why your tote might not be showing up in the tote list. So let's say I'm in the middle of a picking session, I'm picking my items, and I go to scan the tote on my cart. Let's say it was green 2. Well, it doesn't show up here. It's going to say no tote available. All right, it doesn't show up in search. So why is green 2 not available, and how do we make it available? So our first step is let's check, is this tote already assigned to another order? And the best way to do that is you're going to go under Warehouses to Totes. We're going to search for green-02. And we're going to click Assignment History. So you're going to see right here that it shows this is currently assigned to this order number. And you can see it was assigned at 1137. It's 1143 right now. So my next step is going to be, okay, great. This is probably assigned to this order. So I'm going to go to Start Shipping. And you're going to see it's right here. So this is a tote that's ready to ship. So if I want to clear this tote out, I'm going to click on the order number, I'm going to click Reset Order, and this is going to cancel the pick session order. And what it's going to do is it's going to say, okay, we're going to cancel this shipping order, but the inventory is still going to live in the tote because we want to make sure that inventory is always accurate. So hit Confirm, and great. Now if I go to Inventory, you're going to see green 7. There's my tote that I had put back into. So now that it's here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to click on this, hit that to select one, and we're just going to say, okay, let's move this to A1117. Great. Move inventory. Now, if I go back to picking, now I should see my green 7. So we still don't see green 2, though. Notice that? So why is green 2 not available? Well, if we look here, and you search to see, does this tote have any inventory in it, you're going to see, oh, it does have inventory. So similarly, this tote just has inventory. This sometimes happens when people cancel pick sessions and forget to move the inventory out. But in this case, this has inventory. So I'm going to select one. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to move this to the same location, hit save, move inventory. And now if I go back to picking, we should see it as an option. There we go. So now green 2 is available. So to summarize, there are two main reasons that totes are not available for picking. Number one, it is already part of a picking session in the process of being shipped, in which case you need to cancel the pick session order. Or number two, it just has inventory in it, and so you can't start picking a new order into a tote that already has existing inventory. And the two ways you fix it are, first off, if it's already in the process of being shipped, you need to cancel the pick session and then transfer the inventory out. Or if it just has inventory in it, you just need to transfer that inventory out, and then it will become available again.